very first 45. I didn't even know who it was, but it was so neat to have a 45. It was a big deal. And I would just listen to anything and everything. I like the lyrics to some degree, but I'm more into how that guitar sounds, how it just pulls something from my heart. That's what I like.
Heavy rains brought severe flooding to Toronto and the surrounding areas.
As much as 100 millimeters of rain may have dropped on southern Ontario today in a truly stunning storm.
Actually, it was an interesting day because it was kind of a nice day. And then all of a sudden, they said the rain was going to come. So we went out on the front porch. Oliver was happy with the lightning and the storm. And then I kind of said to myself, wow, maybe I should check to see if we're getting a little bit of water. I heard a noise. I went in the furnace room and I saw this fountain coming up from the drain. Then there was a power failure, it went all dark. It was scary, I have to say. And then I thought to myself, maybe I should try getting some stuff out of there I can. And I mean, the family was safe. I just thought, yeah, I gotta get this stuff out of here. Then I just started hauling stuff upstairs. And we actually called the insurance company. And they said, don't worry, we'll take care of things. So we didn't. So it was like very quick the way Economical insurance worked for us. On the Wednesday night, they came around supper time. I said, are you sure you guys can get anything done? Oh yeah, and they started tearing open the walls, took out all the flooring, took out insulation. We had 2 large dehumidifiers, a good 4 feet off the ground. We had 9 fans running nonstop for about a week and a half. All my buddies were complaining because we had Friday nights. That was pool night. We couldn't play pool. So we were out of commission for a while. My sister really struggled with the insurance. She got about the same amount of water in her basement. My sister didn't have an adjuster come for 3 weeks. She got mold. She was doing all the work herself, and it took her a long time to get any money whatsoever. But we didn't have to struggle at all. So it was nice. Everything's turned out pretty well the way we wanted it. And we tried to decorate in the same way so as to obliterate it from our memory as if it never happened. If I was going to say anything to Economical Insurance, I would have to say, thank you so much for everything you did for us. If they do that for everyone, they should have the whole world as their clients. Put it that way, because they're great.